to shop for some groceries and some necessities that I need today, and it's going to be just like a normal Target run. Let's go. Everything here at Target. Basically, they didn't have a lot of like produce, so I was only able to get stuff for my smoothie. Right now I'm just going to get some Dutch Bros, and I got the new Valentine's drink, but they told me they ran out of the heart sprinkles. This is my coffee. It's okay, actually it's pretty good. I like it, except they didn't have the heart sprinkles, so I think I would have enjoyed it more for the aesthetic. This one now. We're doing RDLs with this. I'm so tired. Alright, this is our last one. Look how cute this is. If you know, you know. Nice, look, strawberry shortcake. So cute. This one, these are some candles that I got Sephora and Aeropostale. I don't usually shop at Aeropostale, but they had some really good offers, so I thought that I could just get some things from there. And I'll go ahead and give you guys a haul, but this one was my favorite. So it came like this. It was closed, but I already opened it. This is a candle. This is bias. I'm so sorry, I do not know how to pronounce these, but there's one. Here's the second one. I got mimosa, and because I bought both of these, let's just put it here. She gave me this one for free. It is so cute. It's so tiny. I'll open it for you guys, but yeah, she said since I got those two, she's gonna give me this one, which I think this one should have already been free, but either way. So also she gave me these. Well, she gave me two of these, but I gave the other one to my mom. So it's just a little sample perfume, and then little hand lotions. Both of these are the same. And then this, like, look how cute this is. It's so tiny. this little sample for perfume. She gave it to me. This was from the first one. And now Sephora, from Sephora I got just a little hair oil. I've been wanting this and I decided to put it off because I didn't know if I really wanted it, so I went back after like 2 months and I decided to get it. And then after that, so I ran out of my lotion, so I made sure to restock, and I got one is number 68. Honestly, I recommend this one. It's so good. It lasts pretty good. So, but plant collagen, I know that's good. From Aeropostale. So I just got 3 undershirts. So maroon, black, and it looks kind of orange or peach on camera, but it's a little bit pink. It's like pink or no. Yeah, I would say it is peach actually. So this is my haul, guys. This is everything that I got. And this one, I didn't just buy it just because I've been wanting this for about like a year or so. So I was like, well, it's time. I haven't gone shopping in a while. Just kidding, I don't know. So yeah, this is everything.